Dear parents, as we bid adieu to the month of March, we reflect on the exciting events and activities that took place at GIIS Bannerghatta. From robotics workshops to sustainability projects, it has been a month of learning and joy for all. Our students made us proud by showcasing their talents and hard work in various science Olympiad competitions. The students' success at the Olympiad is a testament to the high quality education and training provided by GIIS Bannerghatta, which helps them excel in academics and beyond. As part of our Green Campus initiative, the school has taken numerous steps to practice sustainability, from reducing plastic waste to adopting energy efficient practices. The school is continuously striving towards a greener future. The field trip to Lal Bagh Botanical Garden was an opportunity for the children to explore and learn beyond their classroom walls. KG2 Graduation Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy at GIIS Bannerghatta. At GIIS Bannerghatta, we strive to provide our students with a holistic education that not only nurtures their academic potential but also encourages them to develop life skills and values. We believe that these experiences and opportunities help our students become well-rounded individuals who are ready to face the challenges of the future. As we move forward, we look forward to continuing this journey of growth and development with our students, and we thank you for your unwavering support and trust in us.